Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at A&L RV Sales right here in Jackson, Tennessee. Oh my gosh, I think we just found our rig. It's a 2025 Brinkley Model Z, model number 2670. So let's get started. The length on this Model Z is 29 feet, 11 inches. The dry weight is 10,291 with a hitch weight of 1,809. With a GVWR of 13,995. I think we just found your rig.
It's really nice. It is a really cool layout. You guys are going to like it once we get in there. But this pen box, guys, this has got the Kurt Helix on it. Awesome. That is going to absorb some of your bounce and sway and stuff. Looking at the front right up here, this is where your batteries are going to go. This actually has 4-point hydraulic leveling. Ooh. They do give you a switch out here for docking lights.
Oh.
There's one of your propane tanks. Some of your pass-through storage. Of course, your connections will go here. This one, your valve and tank releases are right there.
And they're electric.
Yes.
Yeah.
And your leveling pad is right there. I'm confused because it says electronic. But did that not have a reservoir up front?
Yes, ma'am, it did.
Okay.
That must be just what they use.
I guess that's just the
Am I
control
going to cut
pad.
all that out?
Yes.
Okay.
So here is your connections, and your valve pools are right up here, and they are electric. Your leveling system's going to be over there. You see you do have an LED light strip there. Some pretty good storage. You're going to like it from the other side for sure. And
Tankless water heater.
by Furion.
And your power connection is right there, 50 amp.
And down here you've got a sewer caddy. There's one of your dump areas.
And look at all that
And
massive.
look at this different suspension.
Can you tell us what that is?
Springs
Okay, thanks, good.
and shock looking things. Hey, I just wrote estimates for insurance. I didn't fix stuff, okay? So this is going to have a rack and pinion slide here. And we've got a big mud puddle. I don't think I can get around it.
Nope.
But let me sneak over here. Yeah, back here at the back, you are going to have a ladder. And this one already has the backup camera in place. There is a storage back there. I would love to show that to you. We might be able to get to it from the other side. Let's try. Let's see if we can get to it from that side. This is definitely a nice size rig. Again,
And it's just right at 30 feet.
yeah, I mean 30 feet. I mean, so yeah, national parks are going to love this. So if you want the ease of towing a fifth wheel, but honestly, we have seen some travel trailers that's longer than this. Okay, yeah, I can show you from this side. So yeah, frameless windows back here. You do have the ability to tow. Again, anything that you're going to add to the back, just be careful. Let's see if we can get this open here. Oh, yep, here we go. So yeah, actually a really nice storage space back here at the back. I'll call this the trunk. It does have a power outlet, and of course you see that you've got a light in here.
Now it was raining this morning.
Yes, it has been raining, but thankfully we got nice blue skies right now. Power awning on this is going to be right about 19 feet.
Foot, yeah. We were kind of guesstimating.
And
oh,
you've got a nice outside fridge, and there's a little space underneath. I guess you could stash some snacks out there. Might get warm in transit though. And then the other side of your passenger. I told you we were going to like this side.
Oh, wow.
Love how Brinkley finishes off their panels here. So you have access panels. Again, LED light strip. You do have shower capabilities out here. And you can add a TV if you would like. Then here is your other propane bottle. again, this is a Brinkley Model Z. Let's go inside
Okay.
and take a look at it.
I kind of like this one.
Let me wipe my feet just a little bit. All right. Taking a quick look around.
Oh, yeah.
This is a smaller unit, so this is a mid-pro. It is not a full profile. And some of you may have remembered seeing this particular layout. We've done this layout on a Cougar and a few other things, but they always put a dinette back here at the back. We personally are not fans of dinettes. I love that they put a sofa in here. So as you can tell, you can dim the lights in here.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
Your controls are going to be right there as you come in the door. They're hidden. You got great storage up here. I love that they give you this big window. This sofa will make additional sleeping.
And it's got these.
Yes,
really
it's got
cool.
your day and night shades.
I love that.
You're going to have these really cool end tables on both sides. So they've got storage. And then back here, you just press and release for power, USB, and USB-C.
Yep, both sides.
Yes, going to be like that on both sides.
Wow.
So yes, the pillows come with it. Yes, the throw comes with it, because that's just how Brinkley does stuff. Now in this slide out, you're going to have your theater seating. Nice big area there to put your remotes, wireless charging. It's going to have heat in the seats, USB in the seats. Again, these nice big windows here. Now, oh, that looks like a 42? 50?
50.
Oh my word. Oh my word.
50 inch.
Okay, I was not expecting a 50 inch in here. It is mounted a little high, but it's actually tilted. I don't know if you can tell that from the video. But so it's got a little tilt to it. So sitting here in the theater seating, and especially if I were to kick it back and recline, that would be a great viewing angle. Again, love that they give you these shades. Now this is going to have solid surface all the way around. And then their dining setup here is a little different. So this pulls out. Now there's a leaf missing. We're not really sure where the leaf
I
is.
don't know where the leaf is.
You will get a leaf with this. Just, we promise. But here is the different positions that you can put this table in.
Oh my gosh, look at all the goodies.
Oh yeah, so you can have a whole drawer full of goodies over here. And another drawer full of goodies, remotes and cables and all kinds of fun things.
Wow.
And then you have these little drawers that you can use for cutlery. And these two they're exactly the same on both sides. Or you can use it as a desk drawer. So if you need pins and staplers and rubber bands and things like that. I love that they give you these two little stools. I think the top comes off on these.
Well, you got some more drawers,
we got
but
some
they're
more drawers.
under the table.
Yeah, but no, this table, remember I showed you the little diagram. It slides from one side to the other. So you can access all of the drawers. And there's 6 under there. So yeah, when you put the table in, you know, you can get to one side or the other.
Yeah.
Now, was there? Yes.
Yes.
So yeah, storage in these little things, so you can use them to sit here and eat your breakfast. You can put them in front of your sofa, prop your feet up.
Ah, Brinkley doing Brinkley things.
Brinkley, being Brinkley, of course. So you got your towel holder.
You know, if nothing else, somebody breaks in. Man, I'd song upside.
Whack them on the head.
Hey, you can whack them upside the head with that. Thank you, Brinkley.
Thank you. Yeah. So built-in garbage. Love, love, love. Now coming up here across the top.
Turn the ceiling lights off so you can really see all this.
Yeah, their lighting in here is just really, really good. They've got great storage. I mean, just great storage, and that's in a corner right there. All the way around. They're going to give you a great big microwave, and it's Furrion.
Furrion.
Also Furrion 3-burner cooktop oven, and then a nice drawer down there underneath your sink. Your fuses are going to be hidden. I love that they hide that.
There's it is.
There's your, okay, yeah, there is your
There's your leaf.
leaf for your
Yep,
table.
right there.
We knew it was in here somewhere. We just couldn't find it. And there's a plug-in under there in case you need to plug in something underneath the sink. I like that their sinks are the black ones and not stainless. But nice big sink, and now you're all sticky from antifreeze.
Yuck. Yucky.
They give you a high-rise faucet here. Again, this is one of those love or hate. I love the gold finish, but to each his own. They're very easy to change out if you don't like that one. Over here, you got a pantry. Wow. You've got these 3 drawers down here that you can pull out, and they're pretty tall. You can get some pretty big stuff in it. And then you got the opener up here.
You got a plug-in back there.
Yes, indeedy.
All right, soft close.
Soft close.
All
Come
right.
on.
And then finish out the slide.
Your side-by-side fridge.
Ay, ay, ay.
Yeah. And again, I mean, you can tell by looking up you're going to slope down, so it is mid-pro. You have your AC down here. I love the big speakers that they give you. I mean, the fit and finish in here is just amazing. Right, let's head up the stairs. And before our battery box dies, I hopefully we can get enough.
I can't get in there. Can't get in there, sorry.
Yeah, there's a lot of antifreeze in this one, so we don't want to stick to the floor. But this is actually a good size Encore shower. Pretty sure it is the 36 by 40, 30 by 48.
Well, I don't know. Let's see. It is actually a 40.
Ooh, 40.
40 that way. And it is a 30. 30 by 40.
Ah,
Yeah.
yeah. And it's got the wonderful shower head up here with all of the holes and linen closet and
Yeah.
medicine cabinet. Solid surface in here.
3 drawers. Little,
Yeah,
little
3
storage
drawers.
under there.
Again, this is just Brinkley being Brinkley because they're going to give you solid surface in here. They do give you a towel rack here.
Okay.
Now over here you've got a shelf up above your toilet. You got some hooks there, foot flush toilet, porcelain, and then they give you this magnetic tissue holder, which will sit right there when you're traveling, or you can move it wherever you want. And I do believe that this gets the award.
Ah! Yes, it does. Hey.
It's small. Now it is a smaller bathroom. This is a smaller unit, but it hits everything.
Yeah.
It's got it all.
Golden plunger.
All right. Now into the bedroom.
Oh.
Of course, Brinkley is going to give you some bedding with this. I don't think we have everything plugged in. North-south bed in here. This is a queen-size bed. You've got storage across the top. You are going to have a nightstand on both sides with your reading light, with power, and then you've got storage below it. So that you're going to have the same thing on both sides. Now up here, your heating is going to be on the floor. Now we found this very interesting. You have got this felt lined area here, so if you need to put your jewelry or wallets or something in there, you can do that. And I know you're looking at that going, what
What's
on
that
earth
thing?
is in that bag? Believe it or not, these are little fold up bar stools. So you
Yep.
have 2 of them, and they come in their own little carrying bag.
Well, something we didn't do. Let me take these back apart.
Yes.
You got a little bit of storage hole
And there
right back
is some
there.
storage back there.
Yeah. The little bar stools. I like them.
Yeah. And again, with, well, I can't get this open. There we go. Brinkley being Brinkley, they're going to give you all the storage that they possibly can. So
Yeah, there's drawers over here
you
too.
have all of these drawers underneath the bed. So
I like it.
if you don't want to lift the bed and still have storage, you got it. It's right there. Love it.
Whew.
All right, we're not finished. Let me turn around.
Goodness gracious.
Again, now you can see, now I'm all the way up against the front here. I have plenty of headroom, but again, you guys know I'm only 5'2". But there's still good headroom in here. Now this is a closet system.
You've been better off. You showed me.
Well, see, I mean, so even 6 feet tall. I mean,
Yeah.
come on, you
Pretty
got plenty of room. So down here, you're going to have a 32-inch TV. You've got this hanging bar here. This shelf here can be removed if you need it, and you've got hanging up here. Again, that is shared space with the bathroom. Then you've got 4 drawers down here. That is just...
Wait a minute.
What?
Center line for dryer vent.
Yes.
Where's the washer?
Well, I don't know. Oh, it's back there. Okay, you're going to have to take a drawer out, and I know you're not going to be able to see it the way I'm going to be able to do this, but back here in this back corner is where your plumbing is. So, yeah, there's going to have to be some remodification if you want to add the washer-dryer combo or stackable.
Yeah, because I noticed the dryer vent right there.
Yeah.
Yep.
But it can be done, so it is prepped for it.
Awesome.
But I'm going to be honest, I love this little closet system. They give you hooks here.
I love these little cooks.
Got a second AC. And actually, this is really good floor space.
This is really
in here.
nice.
I mean, for 30 feet,
Yeah.
you cannot beat it. It is just super nice.
All right, everybody. If you like this little rear living Brinkley model, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.